went to the mall. We went to Mac to buy something. I wasn't really really planning on buying it, but we ended up buying it, and I still can't believe I have it now. So I was checking on their website yesterday. It says on the website that it's not available at WEM. But when I checked again today, it's already available. So that's why I have it now. It was a pretty fast transaction. There was a queue, but it was pretty fast. And I bought oh shit. I bought a MacBook Pro. Oh, not like that. Bigat masyado. So, I bought a MacBook Pro. I don't want to open it yet. It feels like it's not real. Yung pakiramdam na parang box lang siya. I'm still overwhelmed that I have this already. I'm still like super kilig that I have this. Anyways, the return is super easy if I decide not to keep it. We can still return this. Okay, let's open it. I'm doing this one-handed. Okay, let's remove the extra cushion. Oh my goodness. I'm finally opening it. What the heck? Wait, let's do it on the floor. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my gosh.
Hala, walang charger.
Huh? Meron, oy.
Saan?
Oh, this doesn't come with a charger. With a charging brick? I didn't know. Wait, let's put it here. Oh, buddy. Oh my goodness, it it does! So there is a charging brick here, and this is the MagSafe charger connector, or the charger wire. So I bought the space gray, and let's open it. Oh my goodness. It's now charging. It's now turning on. Oh my gosh. Hi.
The voice you'd like.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in system preferences.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri, Happy New Year. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri, play some music. Okay, here it is. This is the new MacBook Pro 16-inch 2021 version. Welcome to the vlog. It's the second day of 2022, and we're gonna go to a little adventure with my cousins. So come with me. Hi, Hi!
Password na nga.
Hi, te! Hi!
6'4 plus
Are you going to swim later? Hi! Thanks for inviting us. Hi, te! Your house is so nice. Can you do a house tour?
Ay, si DJ King ang mag-house tour.
Wow, king size bed.
I-book me 2 nights. Ang di, 1 night na kayo. Squid na next week.
Wow, the washroom is so nice. Wow, Travis. Cool. Wow, this is such a big tub. Oh my goodness. Oh, and there's a magnifying mirror. So cool. We're gonna go swimming.